Okay. Do you have any idea about Excel? Have you ever worked with Excel before?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you have worked with Excel. You have written formulas and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Except pivot table, I did everything, ma'am.
Okay, except pivot table. So you want me to start from the beginning, or should I go to direct to the pivot table?
Your wish, ma'am.
You tell me, please. I'll help you like that only because as you wish. Okay, because if you know, then so I'll give you a brief about everything. Then we will go to pivot table. Okay, that sounds better.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so what? So let me just tell you. Preview of pivot table is So for example, this is my table. Okay, let me shift A down. Okay, then here you can see insert, and there is something called pivot table. Okay, so when you click on it, it will ask you this. Okay, this is the range of the table, and whether you want to create a new worksheet or existing worksheet. If it is an existing worksheet, you can go. I want to add it downwards itself. If I go down, completely down, and then if I click on this, so here it will create a pivot table for me. Okay. Then if I want to add employee ID and their total salary is, so this is the it is the addition of these three. So the total salary of each employee you can see with the grand total and everything. Okay, this is a small preview of pivot table. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is a small entry of pivot table. Okay, here you get pivot table. You can change the name of the pivot table. Okay, here you can change the name of the pivot table, and you can merge the cells with the labels. All these are there. Okay, so here could filter, display. Okay, this one, and you can change the name of the pivot table. I mean, this is the active field, the sum of everything. So here so anyways, so let me start from the beginning. So here this is a simple excel sheet. Here this is called Excel workbook. The whole thing is called Excel workbook. When you have multiple sheets, this is called worksheets. Worksheet 1, worksheet 2, everything, and these are the cells. So this cell is referred as A10, this is referred as A1. So 1 is represented as rows, and A, B, C, D is represented as columns. So for example, I want to add add these three ages. I want to add their ages. I can just give the cell reference. Equal to will always be, whenever you are writing any formulas or doing anything on the cells, you need to provide with equal to. And we are adding the first three cells, that is B2, B3, B4, right? B1, B2 plus B3 plus B4. So this is the cell reference. As you can see, the name the is equal to the color is same. When I click on enter, you get the total of first three ages, right? Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can also, instead of typing it, you can just click on it and add. Click on the second one, add, click on the third one, so you get the total value. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So let's see. So let me just go through this first. So whenever whether if you have any sheet and the date has been represented in the general format, okay, if it is represented in the general format, as you can see here, this is the number format over here. If it is represented in such a way, in this way, how do we change it? How do we change it? First of all, I'll give this reference to it. Okay, how do I change it? So if it is in general, okay, this is in the general format. How do I make it into this format? That is month, date and year. So if I click on it, as you can see, there is here something called short date. Whether if it is referenced as date, this is been converted to date, so it is been short date. If I put short, if I click on it and click on short date, so here it has been converted to date, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it has been converted to date. Now this is the another example I have. So here also it is in this general format. So if I want to customize this, somebody else has joined the call? No. Okay. So if I want to customize this to this format, I don't want hyphen, I want slash. So here you will get hyphen itself. So if I go here, customize. So when I go to this and click on more number format, and here I can change to any format I want. Okay, first I need month slash date comma year, right? So when I click on OK, you can see it has been converted to month, date and year. However you want, it has been converted, right? Here also you can convert it into long date format. Okay, so here if you want the long date, you can just click on here, and in the number you can change the to long date as well, as per your requirement. Here also, if you want to customize it, you can do it manually as such. Okay, even this can be done properly. Okay. Okay, then this is called cell referencing. What is cell referencing? Yes. So here, so we need to add 7 days for this date. So what is going to be? So if I click on this plus 7, right? Here we have 7. So you can add 7 to this. Okay. So if I add 7, and here when the cursor uh, layout changes, and if you click on this, so this has to be fixed. And why it has been changing? Why? Because here when I moved it down, so here it is C4, right? So C4 has been changed to C5, right? So it is giving me that error. So you need to fix this. How to fix this? By putting $sign. Okay, when you're putting $sign, it means it is fixed. The date is been fixed. But when I click on double click on this, as you can see, it has been changed. Now I can change it into short date, and 7 days has been added. Got it? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have given you this sheet. Okay, you need to try it by yourself. Getting my point? Here also you need to try it by yourself. Okay, try it. If you have any issues, you can contact me. Okay. So all these are going to be your homework. How to change, how to use the cell referencing. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, try it by yourself. Okay. Now, so we have copy paste, right? We have copy paste, a simple copy paste. How it is? Control A, control shift down. If I click on control shift down, everything will be selected. So if I just copy it, control C is for copy, control V is for paste. But we in Excel we have different types of pasting. So here I can just, so control shift down, and then we have paste option over here, right? If I click on here paste, so here we have paste options. So when I click downwards over here, you can see there are different paste options. This is paste as values. This only, the formula will not be copied, only the values will be copied. When you click on this, the formulas will be copied. Okay, when I click on this, only the value is being pasted. Right here we have formulas and all, none of the formula is being pasted, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
You can try with so here also we'll check with control shift down, control shift down, control A, control C, and then when I'm pasting over here, when I'm, so only this part we can copy. Okay, control shift down, control C, control C. See, the beauty of it is, see, here I have not copied these values, right? This is depending on C4, right? C4 into 10%. So here the basic pay is changed. So here if I just paste with formula over here, formula option is there, right? If I paste it with formula, as you can see, okay, set control, you can right click, and here with formula, as you can see, it is pasting only the formula. See here it was C4 into 10%. Now it has been changed to J4 into 10%. Getting my point? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay, the only the formula will be pasted here. If I try so here I want the same format in this table as well. So if I just select everything, control C, and then if I go here, and then I will click on right click, and here you can see transpose. What will it do is, transpose will change it rows into columns, columns into rows. Okay, if I click on this, see, the formatting has been changed. It is same as this. Getting my point? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the date format, cell referencing, the paste values, and paste as formula, paste as format. These are the I have given you the workbook with I have shared you with the workbook. Please work on it. Okay, so I have shared you with the workbook, right? Please check on it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you can start with formulas. Okay, 1 minute. I will give you the sheet. One minute. I'll share you the sheet. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First, we need to calculate the what you call profit margin percentage. Okay, in this we have a sheet of retail, the order ID and all the orders we have, and we need to get the percentage of the profit we are getting. Okay, what is the formula for it? Is the formula of it is profit margin percentage is equal to retail price minus cost price divided by cost price. Okay, what is the retail price over here, right? Minus cost price divided by cost price, right? So when I click on it, here you get the percentage, right? So if I just click downwards, just click it, double click on the end, you can get the whole length of it will get calculated. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So I have shared you this sheet. Okay, yeah, I will give you the formulas for everything. You can try it by yourself. Okay, these are the two homeworks you have for today. Tomorrow I will start with few more detailed formulas like sum ifs, all that formulas I will start. Then we can